Hey, welcome to another before and after. So, this is a really simple one this week. I imagine most of your leads come from word of mouth. It's how 90% of firms get their leads, according to our research. And the crazy thing from the same research is that only 20% of firms do anything to ask for more referrals. So, if you're in that boat, or even if you do and you don't do it that often, try this template, this really simple email template out here. So you could send this either through your email marketing software if you want to hit all of your clients, or just through your Gmail or your Outlook or whatever you use to send one-to-one emails. I would probably do it one-to-one. That's just how I would do it, and I'd probably personalize it a little bit, but this is how it goes. So obviously you put their email address, would you refer us, could be would you recommend us, whatever terminology you like to use in there. And the idea here is just a really simple email. So thanks for choosing Senior and Junior, Softbank accounting firm name, as your accountant. We love working with you and we love to have more clients like you. Rely on referrals. With that in mind, is there anyone else in your network you think we could help? Would you mind making an email introduction? Really simple, simple ask. I think you can make this better in a couple of ways. One would be to make it really specific about their industry. I think that helps people to narrow in on, hey, we love working with e-commerce business like yours. Do you know anyone else who we could help? And maybe even put in the way that you help them. Make it really specific. The other thing that I would do is after I sent this, I'd follow up 2 or 3 times. You know, I think most people will be happy to refer you, obviously, if you're doing good work, and I'll assume you are doing. But, people need the nudge as well. So if you make it really, really easy for them, that's going to happen, and you're going to get more referrals that way. But yeah, give them a little nudge as well. So that's it. The before, I guess, is doing nothing, and the after is a really simple template like this, which you can grab from the email as well. Thanks for listening. Bye.